Welcome to Science Show. This is Dr. PC Aishwarya Ganga, Homeopathic consultant and clinical psychologist. This presentation is about the pineal gland, the Sarcode used in the treatment of sleep disorders. Sarcodes are the homeopathic medicines prepared from the secretions of healthy living organisms, healthy living tissues and secretions like thyroidinum, pituitary, serotonin, melatonin, dopamine, etc. Pineal gland, the seat of the soul, is the only unpaired, highly vascularized neuroendocrine secretory organ located in the epithalamus near the center of the brain between the two cerebral hemispheres, also known as the third eye, is under constant speculations by various metaphysical practitioners. Pineal gland produces and secretes the hormone known as melatonin. Melatonin is an important neurohormone which mediates the circadian rhythm and sleep-wake cycle. When darkness prevails, it activates the retinal cells through the retinohypothalamic tract and it stimulates the suprachiasmatic nucleus through the sympathetic neurons and through various enzymatic reactions produces the hormone known as melatonin. Melatonin versus serotonin. Serotonin is a biosynthetic precursor of melatonin and a potent neurotransmitter whose levels are correlated to many processes and disease states including neurological disorders such as drug addiction, depression and migraine, etc. If serotonin is linked with wakefulness, melatonin induces sleep. If serotonin is associated with mood stabilizer, melatonin regulates the sleep-wake cycle. There are various functions of melatonin hormone, the hormone of the darkness. One of the main functions is the regulation of circadian rhythm and improvement on reproduction and sexual behavior. The beneficial effects are on neurological diseases, sleep disorders, and acts as an anti-carcinogenic or anti-tumoral. The main function of pineal gland is to receive the information from the light-dark changes in the environment and to convey to neurons and produce the hormone melatonin. Relationship of pituitary gland, pineal gland and hypothalamus. Various clinical studies or research works have emphasized the relationship or close associations between these three glands. Clinical studies emphasizes that pineal gland influences the pituitary gland secretion of sex hormones like follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Another study influences or shows us the relationship between the pineal hormones melatonin and adrenocorticotropic hormone, the cortisol, in man. Sleep disorders. Sleep is the basic human need and is crucial to physical and mental health. Sleep disorders mainly involves the disturbance of duration and quality of sleep. There are various types of sleep disorders, but sleep disorders are mainly classified into dysomnias or insomnias, hypersomnias, parasomnias, mainly by the International Association of Sleep Research Center has classified them into these categories. A few important sleep disorders are circadian rhythm sleep-wake disorders, obstructive sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, non-rapid eye movement sleep arousal disorders, nightmares, narcolepsy, etc. Homeopathic research studies or drug proving on the homeopathic Sarcode or remedy known as melatonin 6x. In 2008, the Aurum project was done by the Australian Homeopathic Medical Research on the homeopathic Sarcode known as the melatonin 6x. Drug proving is a process in which the drug substances are put into trial on healthy human volunteers and the pathogenetic effects are observed. There are various symptoms as mentioned above in this slide. Mainly focuses on the mind symptoms as well as the sleep symptoms. Rubrics are the symptoms which are graded based on the occurrence in the drug proving. Homeopathic medicines or Sarcodes are successfully used by many senior physicians in the treatment of various sleep disorders, and also some have used it in successful treatment of schizophrenia cases in autistic children, in various insomnia cases of cancer patients as well as psychiatric illness. Serotonin has been proven to be very beneficial in obsessive compulsive disorders also. Thus, this presentation influences or emphasizes the importance of homeopathic remedies as well as Sarcodes used as an intercurrent remedy in the treatment of sleep disorders. Thank you.